Welcome. If you're looking to find all your friend requests on Roblox using the web version on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to see who sent you a request or manage your pending invites, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and quickly. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your social features without any issues. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with different options. Find the one labeled More and click on it. This menu is your gateway to additional features, including your friends list and requests. After clicking More, you'll notice a few new options appear. Select Friends from this expanded menu. This will take you to your main Friends page, where you can see everyone you're connected with on Roblox. Now here's the important part. At the top of your Friends page, you'll see several tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled Requests. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a dedicated page showing all your incoming friend requests. Here, you can review each request one by one, choosing to accept or decline them as you see fit. If you're curious about the requests you've sent to others, keep in mind that Roblox doesn't currently offer a single list of all outgoing requests. However, you can search for a specific user's profile, and if your request is still pending, you'll see a pending label on their profile instead of the usual Add Friend button. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily find and manage all your friend requests on Roblox Web using your PC. Stay connected and keep building your Roblox community.